Hi crochet lovers, welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you this adorable floral square motif that's just bursting with colors and texture. Whether you're making a blanket, a bag or cute top, this motif will add the perfect handmade charm to your project. I'm using a cotton yarn, a 2.5 millimeter crochet hook, a scissors, and a needle. Let's get started and crochet some beauty together. Start with magic ring, wrap a yarn around your finger and make an X, and then insert your hook under it and bring the yarn out from there and make a chain. Okay, this is our magic ring. If you want, you can make a ring by chaining 4. Okay, then make 2 chains as a 1 double crochet. Then make 11 more double crochet into the ring. For the magic ring, wrap a yarn around your hook, insert your hook into the ring, bring the yarn out from there, pull through 2 loops and pull through 2 loops. This is how we make double crochet. Okay, now we're gonna making double crochets until we receive to the 20 double crochet in the end. In the end, let me count, 10 and 12. Okay, pull your tail of the yarn for closing your ring, and then make a slip stitch to the 3rd chain. Cut the tail of the yarn and fasten off. I'll do this by needle. Insert your needle under your 3rd chain here, bring it out and insert it into 1st chain here and bring it out. This is how I ending my rows, and then hide it between my stitches and cut it. For the next round, bring your next color, make a slip knot on your hook and wrap a yarn around your hook. Insert your hook between 2 double crochet here, between 2 double crochet. Okay, bring the yarn out from there, pull through 2 loops and pull through 2 loops, then make 1 more double crochet into the same place. Go to the next space between 2 double crochet and make 2 double crochet in there. Okay, just making 2 double crochet into the each space between 2 double crochet of previous round. If you're enjoying the vibes here, why not stick around? I'd love to have you as part of my crochet loving family. Okay, do this diagram until the end. In the end, join with the slip stitch to the 1st stitch here. Cut the tail of the yarn and fasten off. Leave a pink heart if you love this video for me in comment below. Have you ever crocheted a granny floral square? Share your experience. Okay, don't push too hard the needle, just move between the stitches and secure your tail of the yarn between them. Okay, cut the tail of the yarn. Here is our 2nd row. For the next row, make a slip knot on your hook, wrap a yarn around your hook, start from a space between 2 V stitches, make a double crochet in there, and then make 2 more double crochet, actually make 3 double crochet into the each space between 2 V stitches that we made in previous round. Make 3 double crochet into the each space. Okay, which colors would you choose for your granny? tell me in comment below. Do this until the end. In the end, join with the slip stitch to the first stitch here, and again fasten off and hide it between the stitches. For the next round, make a slip knot on your hook, wrap a yarn around your hook, start from the space between the clusters of 3 double crochet and make 3 double crochet in there. But after that you make your first double crochet, the second double crochet must make in between the round 2, okay? Then make 1 double crochet, again 1 double crochet into the next space between clusters of 3 double crochet. Next double crochet must make between 2 double crochet of the round 2 and 1 double crochet into the round 4, okay? Like this. I show you again, 1 double crochet and 1 double crochet into the round 2 between 2 double crochet of round 2 and 1 double crochet in this round between the space between 2 clusters of 3 double crochet. I'll show you again, okay, and 1 double crochet. Do this until the end. In the end, join with the slip stitch to the first stitch, and as usual cut the tail of the yarn, fasten off and secure the tail of the yarn between the stitches. Okay, for the next row, round 5, make a slip knot on your hook, wrap a yarn around your hook twice, and insert your hook into the each space you like, and make the treble crochet in there plus 3 chains and 3 treble crochet into the same space. 1, 2. For the treble crochet, wrap a yarn around your hook twice, then bring the yarn out, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. Okay, one more time. 1 chain, and go to the next space between clusters of 3 double crochet. Make 3 double crochet into there plus 1 chain. Into the next space again, make 3 double crochet plus 1 chain. 2, 3, and 1 chain. And for the next corner, make 3 treble crochet, 1, 2, 3, and 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. Again, make 3 treble crochet in there, 1, 2, and 3, plus 1 chain. Again, each next 2 space, make 3 double crochet plus 1 chain into the corner space, 3 treble crochet, 3 chain, 3 treble. Okay, do this until the end. In the end, in the last corner here, make 2 treble crochet before the first treble crochet of the first of the round. Then join with the slip stitch to the first. Okay, go to the chain space by the slip stitch, make a chain and 2 single crochet into the chain 3 space of corner. Then make 1 single crochet into the each next stitches you have, plus 1 single crochet into the chain space here. Again 1 single crochet into the each next stitches and 1 single crochet into the chain space. Do this until you receive to the next corner. In the corner space, let me receive the corner. Okay, in the corner space, make 2 single crochet in there. Again 1 single crochet into the each next stitches, also in the each chain 1 spaces. Okay, do this until the end. In the end, just join with the slip stitch to the first single crochet and cut the tail of the yarn and fasten off. I'd be so happy to see your work. If you try this pattern, feel free to send me a photo via email or Instagram. You'll find the links of them in description below. Okay, that's all for this video. You can steam a little with a steam iron and done. Hope you had fun. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. Love you all. Happy crocheting. See you next time. Bye.